guys, oh. Ha? Hi guys, good morning. Ayan guys, this is Clara Ambiciosa na nagbabalik. Woo! Kubog daw guys. I-edit natin si Thomas at kukuha tayo ng, kukuha tayo ng king crab. May magbibigay sa atin ng king crab. Nakapag-try na tayo kung ano ang lasa ng king crab. Update ko kayo mamaya. Naligo pa si Thomas. Hi guys! Good morning! Ang ganda ng aming panahon today. Don't lock the door. Ayan. Ayan guys, ang grabe. Ang ganda ng kalangitan ngayon guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Grabe na ang... grabe talaga ang snow guys. Oh my god! Lubog na kita nga ako nga paa guys. Visit. Ay no. Sorry. Magkuha tayo ng ano guys. Agoy! Grabe ang taas ng snow. Dumalubong ko guys. Yeah, oh, tingnan nyo ang taas yan.
Look, I stepped in the footsteps. You didn't.
Because I'm stubborn. Ayan guys, may dala tayong ganyan. Kasi guys, kukuha na tayo ng ating king crab. Are you excited? Huh? Huh? No, I didn't forget my I have a gloves. Oh my god, it's so cold. I need to wear one gloves guys. It's because it's windy. Oh, Doma. Here, in this area. This way.
Can't you walk with me to work and then go to my desk?
Alpancho, I told you.
Huh?
I told you that we need to.
Yep, I don't have time for that.
We didn't have time for that.
No. You can go to me to work, then you go to my desk. You know where I live.
I told you that we need to go there together.
First?
Oh yeah.
Together?
Yes.
I didn't think so. I thought you were.
I didn't think so. It's because you didn't read my text.
I thought you said.
Maka-imberna may si Thomas.
No, you said. I walk with you to work so I can go to Lourdes, you said.
We need to go there first and then I'll, you know.
No, I don't remember you saying.
I don't remember. It's because you are sleeping last night, Shada.
I didn't get that.
Punch you.
You have to walk. I have to walk to work and then you can walk to Lourdes.
Ay, nako. Lord help me.
Yeah, but I don't have time for that now.
It's because that's why I told you that Shada.
No.
We need to go first to. We need to get king crab first before I.
said anything of that to me. You remind
It's because you are focused to your games.
No. You said I'm going to Lourdes so you can accompany me to work. You said.
I don't want to argue. I'm mad. Ang ganda ng ano guys, oh.
It's hard to be mad.
I'm mad na talaga kay Thomas. It's because he is focused to his game. And you know what guys? That's why.
You have to give.
It's lamig pa ngayon.
You have to give me understanding messages.
Understanding messages. Ay, hold on, I need to film. Grabe ang lamig guys. It's because you're not listening to me. You are focused to your ano.
No, it's not because of that. The reason for it, I'm a man.
I'm a man.
And we men
Don't excuse that you are
need
man.
very concrete messages and information. Otherwise, we will interpret it.
Gamot daw, gamuta-muta. Mata ko guys. It's so cold. It's so cold.
It's not that cold, it's fresh.
It's fresh. Alpancho, fresh. Oh, it's a beautiful day today. Beautiful day. Today, day.
I'm not sure if those cows are moving in or out. Looks like they're pushing upwards. So.
Ang ganda na guys, meron ng liwanag sa dilim. Yun ang mga bahay dito guys. Taas-taas ng snow, ayan. Di ba? Ang taas yan. Mga snow. Yan o, taas-taas guys o. Walking na lang tayo. Ganda guys. Diba? Kuha tayo ng king crab. Stop ko muna dito guys, tapos mag-film na lang ako later. Update ko kayo later. Hi guys, ayan guys oh. Ganda ng araw today. Diba? Kita nyo ang aking gloves. Ayan ang bahay. Hinatid ko si Thomas guys. Mahangin. Ngayon hindi na. Mahangin ang dagat. Dagat. Tapos, diba, longgacious. May nag-walking na na dog over there. Nami nga balay. Kunan ko si Thomas mo. Maghapit nga kami ng ay may galanta nga tao na king crab. Ay na lang talaga ni Thomas. Ayan guys oh, tingnan nyo. Tapos ito pang winter na sasakyan sa snow ginagamit nila. So hindi madulas today. Nagsabi pa naman si Rose sa akin guys na pupunta ako sa bahay nila ngayon maaga. And ayun nga, straight lang natin guys, kasi mag pick up tayo ng king crab. Guys, mayroon kasing nakasunod sa akin guys, lalaki guys, meron siyang aso. Ayan mas likod, aklanta sa akin. Ayan. So may kindergarten dyan guys. Hindi ko lang sure kung open. Parang hindi naman open. Ay, walang tao ata. Malamig guys. So ang ulam namin mamaya is king crab. Kakain kami ng king crab. Yay! Free lang, bigay lang sa amin. So ito yung first time ko na magkain ng king crab. Balitaan ko na lang kayo kung anong lasa. Mamaya lutuin namin mamayang gabi. Tapos mag-grocery na naman kasi Sabado. Ay nako guys, yan, boring ang vlog ko guys no, pero kere bells lang. Thank you so much pala sa mga nag-watch ng aking mga vlog. Taas ng ng snow. Tingnan niyo guys oh. taga-abaga, taga-ulo. Diba? Ang ganda talaga guys ng weather niya. Diba? Ang ganda ng weather. Ganda mo talaga, Norway. Kahit anong bukas kasi guys mag-plus na siya, so madulas bukas. So sana meron pang ice sculpture kasi magpa-picture kami ni Rose doon sa ice sculpture bukas. Yun ang gusto niya. Ayan. Oh, hindi tayo na arawan. Ayan. Wala, parang na siyang araw. Parang na siya. Maglabas na. Ayan guys, oh. Oh. The sun. Ayan. Diba guys? Hala. Parang maglabas na ang sun. Ang ganda ng bahay guys, oh. Diba? May tao doon guys. Sa unahan. So, update ko na lang kayo later kung nakuha ko na ang king crab. Hi guys. Ayun na guys, oh. Yan. Grabe siya guys. Ang sun. Alam nyo ba guys? Nakuha ko ng king crab. Binigyan ako ng king crab. Binigyan pa ako ng aking ninang ng 100 kroners na pera. Ang saya-saya ko talaga guys. Uy, I'm so lucky talaga guys. Kumain pa ako sa kanilang bahay. Nag-breakfast ako doon. May dala pa akong king crab. May kwarta pa gid. Abo! So, pauwi na ako sa aking bahay. At ayan guys, oh. Ayan guys. Kindergarten yan guys, pero parang wala namang bata sa labas. Doon ako guys sa kabila dadaan para makita ko si Thomas. Ang medyas ko parang nakuha na naalis na sa aking, kita nyo ilong ko guys, ang laki ng buho. Ayan guys, oh. Gala kami next time ni Rose. Sabihan ko si Rose, Rose gala tayo Rose. Dumasumpit ihi ko guys. Mauli na lang ko guys. Uy, hindi na lang ako magagi kay Thomas guys. Kaya dumasumpit ihi ko na. Ang kinain ko doon guys sa kanila. Grabe, may kwarta na naman ako guys. Taguon ko rin kwarta ko guys. Kaya para makabili tayo ng magandang camera. Diba? Taguon ko rin kwarta. Kumain ako ng tinapay, bread, tsaka egg with tea, green tea. Yan. Lagyan daw to ng pwede daw to lagyan ng gata ang king crab. So lagyan ng gata guys. Tingnan natin kung kay Thomas kasi guys gusto niya i-steam ang king crab. Tapos sabi nila mas masarap daw kung igataan ang king crab. Tapos lagyan lang daw ng sibuyas tsaka kaunting asin at paminta. Masarap for 15 to 30 minutes. Kita nyo guys, itim-itim pa ang aking ipit. First time ko makakain ng king crab. Next time na naman guys. Mag-ano na naman tayo. Baka may magbigay na naman sa atin ng king crab. Kasi ang ka-work ni Thomas kahangak guys. Gito sumpit. Nagit-ihir ko guys. Pakita ko sa inyo ang agian. Kasi ang ano guys, ang friend or I mean kawork ni Thomas na babae, nagsabi siya na ano, na may king crab daw. Bibigyan daw kami ng king crab. So hindi namin alam kung kailan siya magbigay ng king crab. Diba? Ito sa swerte-swerte ko lang yun guys. Thank you talaga sa blessing. Alam nyo ba guys, na ang king crab na to is napaka ano, mahal. Baklan ko pa ya guys ha. Diba guys? Baklan ko pa ya nga perte. Astang mahala. It's so expensive. And you know, I don't have money. So thank you so much talaga po sa aking Tita Lourdes, and nagasmile siya sa akin guys, and Tito Leo, hi, thank you so much guys. Pinigyan pa ako ng ano, ng pera. Thank you Lord. Tago ko to kasi gagastusin ko to sa susunod para may pera naman ako ba dito. 100 kroner. Babawi ako sa kanila din. Siyempre, sa susunod ko may ano, magbigay ako ng regalo kapag may trabaho na ako. Malapit na tayo sa bahay, guys. Biskal ano na lang pangwakal ko, guys. Ang magiting vlogger. Ang ganda kaya ng ano, ng sun. Today, sunshine. Mahangin dito guys. Narinig nyo ba ang hangin? Oh my gosh. Wala akong gloves. Hindi ko sinuot ang aking gloves. Perte na katiga ang aking ano guys. Ang aking kamay. Oh, pangasaman. Dito na tayo sa malabundok-bundok na snow. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan oh. Hindi nyo makita kasi may gloves. Ayan guys. Taas niyan guys. Ay. Dito na tayo sa may mga naagian na. Diba? Wait lang guys, may nagkatawa. Ayan guys, ito na ang ating king crab. At first time ko po ito guys na makain at mahawakan ang king crab. So, napakalaki nito at mahal. Ito ang king crab ng Norway. Ayan guys, oh, ang kanyang galamay. So, ayan, excited na ako. At, ayan, iboboil ko na ito guys for 22 minutes. Hinaan lang ang, ano, ang apoy. Diba? Makakain na talaga tayo ng king crab. And guys, kakatapos ko lang maligo talaga at dumating rin si Thomas. So, alam niyo ba kung saan si Thomas ngayon? Charis. Si Thomas ngayon guys, pumunta siya sa Rema kasi bibili siya ng, ano, bibili siya ng shrimp. Gusto niya dagdagan yung king crab. So, ang gagawin ko sa shrimp guys, gagawa ako ng garlic shrimp. Kasi nagluto ako ng kanin, so mapaparami na naman tayo ng kanin ng kain guys. So okay lang yan. Minsan-minsan lang naman tayo ano. Tsaka once a day lang kami guys kumakain ng rice ni Thomas. Kung umaga lang, prutas, ganun. So, ano muna ako guys, magluto muna ako guys. Update ko kayo later.
For garlic one.
It's up to you.
Okay, just use
1 kilo guys shrimp.
It's not 1 kilo, it's a bit under 1 kilo.
Under 1 kilo? Oh, okay.
You count them afterwards and you see how many it is.
Gagawin ko siyang garlic shrimp. Tapos may mais ako
see,
dito.
It's starting to be red now. How long has this cooked for now? You are counting
Hold on. Ayan guys, I cook butter garlic shrimp. Butter garlic shrimp. Ayan. Paubsan ko lang ng konti. Tapos okay na yan siya. Ayan guys, it's so yummy na talaga guys. Partner sila ng king crab. It's yummy man yan. Oy, lagyan natin ng ano, ng spicy, ng ano nga to, chili. May ginawa akong chili, lagyan natin chili para maanghang. Hi guys, my husband is, what are you doing, Shada?
Getting out the king crab.
The king crab. Can I taste one?
Yeah, taste.
Taste test. This one. And guys, oh, huh?
Good. You like it?
Yeah, I like it. It's so yummy. Oh my god. Giboy lang din siya, guys.
Only boil. You don't need to do so much with it. You
Yeah.
don't need to use everything because the meat is so tender and good from before.
Oh my god, this is
And
yummy.
if you have
I like
some
it.
lemon and mayonnaise, it's what you need.
Oh my god, it's yummy, Shada. Ang sarap talaga ng king crab. Oh my god. Taste one more. Okay?
Yeah.
Ayan,
Not that-
nag-ano si Thomas.
You
Oh.
don't have so much though, so it will only be a taste of it. Hopefully get a little
Sarap talaga. Kaya pala mahal. Oh my god. This is yummy.
You like it.
Yeah. Oh my god, guys. Sarap talaga. Diba? Kakas naman ang kapag ta. Guys, oh, tingnan nyo ang aking husband, guys.
Sometimes you can be lucky and just pull them out. But
You can't? You can pull it?
sometimes.
Oh my gosh, guys! Kalami man sa guys.
Just
Ay.
rip them up and they have a lot of seeds inside. You have to like
Ayan, guys.
peel out there.
Kuha ni Thomas. Kinain ko na kanina. Ayan, kinukuha yan ni Thomas. Tapos, this shrimp, guys, this is raw.
Yeah.
This is raw, guys. Thomas will eat this, even though
You
it's
also.
raw. Huh?
You also.
No! Oh,
Yeah,
oh
raw.
my God. Ipakanon
Yeah,
ako
I promise
kari,
you,
guys.
it's
Agay ba?
very
Haragay.
sweet taste.
Aragay.
These are it's very safe to eat raw.
Aragay ba? Pakanon ako nuko kari, guys. Aragay. Makaon lamang ta. Let's try this
And
one.
You can try to shred one and
Haragay.
You
Maano
will
mga
eat.
rin. Pakanon natakan ka raw. But I have a good luck to my migraine. Oy, if it's, you know.
get migraine.
Yeah, if I get migraine later, good luck to me. Smile, be. Smile, Anay. Your face, be. Shada. Shada ba?
Yeah, I'm a bit busy.
Look it. You're so handsome. My gosh, my handsome husband. Oh. Hi guys, so nakahingi tayo ng, binigyan tayo ni Thomas nitong, ubusin ko daw, kasi kinukuha niya yung laman ng king crab. Kahit walang sauce, it's yummy talaga, kaya pala mahal. So, malapit ang kaldero ng dito, ng aking niluto. Kuha tayo ng sauce. Ayan o. May kanon pa guys. Sa kapog kasi ito na kutsara kanina. Lagyan natin ng sauce. Garlic sauce. Gamay lang man rin nga ipasipot na lang sa akin. Pwede rin din ko mapakasaliwat guys. Kanamit yun saka magluto guys. Sarap talaga siya. May retainer pa ko guys. Birada ka. Bisipot. Bekan, antay ang be? Amo ka rin, be? Agay. Sarap guys. Laway ko. I feel that Shada, I feel that, you know, I lose weight. Look. I exercise 2 days. I feel like I lose weight. Ayan guys. Kunti na lang guys. Go Shada! Ayan guys. Kita nyo yan. Ginakuha ni Thomas sa loob. Kinukuha na niya para diretso kain kasi lagyan na niya ng mayonnaise mamaya. Yan o. Siya ang bahala. Basta ako nakaluto na ako ng akin. Nagasipon. I have sipon.
Yeah.
I feel good. I'm sick. What?
I said that's good.
You know what's sipon, right?
Yeah, but I forgot. It was a good thing. Sick again?
Yeah, because you kissed me. And then
I'm not sick though.
Ito ang kanyang. What's that? You have sipon. This is the, what is it? Mayonnaise. And then ito yung tinapay. Ito ang partner ni Thomas sa kanyang king crab. Ito at saka ito. At saka may shrimp pa. Ayan o. Ayan.
Try some with mayonnaise.
Try natin guys. Yeah. It's yummy guys. As in. Ang king crab guys. Ang king crab na taste guys. Alam mo yung ano? May pagka-sweet siya. Yeah, siya the taste of king crab. King crab. May pagka-sweet na may pagka-smell ng salty. Salt gid man ino kay para or kay nanggaling siya sa sea. So na masarap na malambot, parang urang gid man siya nga anang nga damit malahaw, parang shrimp pero daw tamis tanang nga namit. Namit kaya pala mahal ang king crab. Ulit-ulit lang. Huh?
I usually got the claws on it, but this has a lot of it.
It's a lot, yeah?
This one.
It's a lot of meat.
It's good.
Thank you so much sa nagbigay. It's libre lang sa amin. Sarap. Ang happy ko guys. Siyempre ba naman, sino ba naman ang hindi maging happy nga libre lang ang king crab. If you have boat Shadaya, it's free, right? To get there, to get the king crab. If you don't have boat,
you have to boat and you have to have a taina.
Taina, what?
That is to catch the crab in. And then, but you also have to register and things like that because.
I see.
But yeah, quota. But I don't know. But you also have to do it within a period because soon now it's not allowed to fish anymore.
Why?
Because it's they're having their when they're giving birth to new ones. So it's like time for them to grow a little bit.
So when the season of king crab?
I think it's like 3 months off, and the rest of the year is like.
I mean the season. What month?
Yeah, it's all of the year only.
Year of the year.
3 months break. I think it is like, if I understood it correctly, I might be wrong.
Kaya pala, Gordon
Ramsay. I'm not a fisherman,
so Gordon Ramsay also, guys, visit Kirkenes, Norway to get the king crab.
Long time ago.
Yeah, long time ago. And Jessica Soho also, the newscaster in Philippines, or I mean journalist, something like that. She is here also to catch the king crab. If you if you go to YouTube, you can search Jessica Soho in Kirkenes, Norway. Basta Finnmark. Finnmark yan guys, that is the north of the Finland and then the Norway, yeah?
That's the northern county.
Northern county of Norway and Finland.
Not county, but
country or
no, almost like what do you call it? We call it fylke. Yeah, county is more like no, it's county. Yes.
County. Di ba? Oh my God. Thank you, Lord. Pero excited na gid ko sa akin nga. Ari, oh. Kanami gid siya, guys. Kanamit gid siya. Kita nyo to sa may, ano ko. Basta, i-update ko kamo later. Anong gagawin nito? Mas hindi pa siya tapos. Okay, guys. This is our food. Or, I mean, our dinner. This is a king crab. Bread, mayonnaise, and Thomas shrimp.
Shrimp.
This is my garlic shrimp, and this one is lemon, guys. Lemon for the partner of his king crab, butter, and bread and mayonnaise. This is our dinner with Coke. I mean Pepsi Max. My husband favorite. So let's eat, guys. Kain tayo.